Hello viewers, welcome to Shah News. Today's news headlines: Telangana government schools coding in Telugu. BJP TRS playing waiting game for Nagarjuna Sagar bypolls. TRS hits campaign trials. TRS has special bonds with government employees, says KTR. Move over English coding in Telangana government school will now be taught in Telugu in a new move that would see scores of students queuing up to learn the programming language in their mother tongue. Authorities said with students who are not well served in English and shying away from learning this skill, it has been decided to start course in Telugu to encourage youngsters. We will start the programs in 50 schools in the coming academic year. Soon it will be extended to all other schools in the districts. Students of classes 8 to classes 10 get introduction to the programming. The medium of instructions and material will both be in Telugu. An app will be used to help students to run their code and learn programming. The program is designed in such a way that the code is taught without a computer. Students can write the code and scan it using mobile phone and upload into an app which convert an image into a text to run the code. As the stakes are high for the bypoll to Nagarjuna Sagar Assembly constituency, it looks like BJP and TRS are playing a waiting game to announce the candidates. BJP is waiting for TRS to make first move as the Saffron Party is likely to fill a candidate from the BC community in case of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao finalized a candidate from the Reddy's community. Both parties kept the names under the wraps and seems to be playing a waiting game. The Election Commissioner of India is likely to announce the schedule for bypoll anytime soon. TRS cannot afford the loss of another elections after its defeat to BJP in Dubaka bypolls and BJP performance in GHMC elections, winning 48 seats. A day after withdrawal of nomination process was over from MLC election, the TRS has started a high-octane campaign in 6 former districts going to poll on March 14. TRS in-charge ministers appointed by party president K. Chandrasekhar Rao started campaigning and meeting with the leaders on Saturday. Finance Minister T. Harish Rao, who has been given in charge of Rangareddy, addressed the party workers at the 3 places. TRS Working President KTR Rao said the state government employees and the TRS have always shared a special bond since the start of Separate Telangana movement, but some parties were spreading rumor that they have turned against the TRS. The government employees worked with TRS closely during the statehood struggle. After the formation of Telangana state, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced a huge pay revision and increment to all categories of government employees. In a view of forthcoming MLC elections, called upon the party leaders to meet every voter personally and explain the development activities taken up by the TRS governments in last 6 years and also expose the BJP smears campaign against the TRS government. Roy said leaders should tell the graduates that BJP government at the center has not given any funds to the state government. Even Mission Bhagiratha scheme, which was taken up to provide drinking water to every household, is being claimed by the center scheme. We should expose Saffron Party, increasing petrol, diesel and gas price. We should highlight every major issue with the voters. Roy said the party workers and leaders should explain that TRS has provided 14 lakh jobs in the private sectors both directly and indirectly, apart from filling up 1,32,000 jobs in various government departments. Like our channel. For more details, please subscribe and click the bell icon.